vent riser post.
Common vent post is equipped on the upper deck to ventilate the cargo vapor from the cargo tank. The following maintenance must be performed to keep the ventilator in good condition. Check the flame screen fitted on the top of the post on every voyage and clean or replace it if necessary. The flame screen is fitted to prevent the entry of fire through the screen. Therefore, the screen must be replaced if it is worn out. A drain valve and maintenance hole is located at the lower part of the vent riser post. Draining must be conducted periodically and check for oil existing in the drain. It is recommended to collect the drainage in a bucket because some oil will be carried over from the cargo tank. Check the interior of the post periodically through the inspection hole to inspect the surface condition and the accumulation of rust that may cause blockage of the drain pipe. Also check the coupling joint on the post for the connection with the portable CO2 fire extinguisher.